They'll solve your problems in packaging. In retail business, I guess especially our food business, there are two main things: your ingredients and your packaging. And because we're a small store, we don't have a huge storeroom. So on-time ordering and quick delivery was essential for our business to prosper. QPACK was just fantastic because they were able to come to this area 3 times a week. And even if we miss something, the local sales rep were more than happy to bring those things that we miss. And secondly, we have from little products to large products. We need something see-through, we need something hard. So QPACK was great in that sense because they had all those packaging materials that were needed. See, with ingredients, we order from different companies. I need to order milk separately. I need to order butter separately, icing, sugar separately, right? But with QPACK, I order everything at one go. So that made it really convenient.